Something's not right. Peng Peng, just woken up, felt a chill down his spine, as if he heard his great-grandmother's call. Jubaji. When things are abnormal, there must be a demon. There must be a big cat hiding behind. There have been many pig thefts recently. It is recommended to notify your friends before continuing to watch. Journey to the West famous scene. Jubaji transforms into Zhang Yuanying, tricking the Bun spirit. Yeah. Goodbye, brother, goodbye. Hilariously wagging his tail, he escaped. Peng Peng's kickoff journey took him straight to the highway. Warm reminder, you are about to reach the human realm. The heart of the lion pride, directly to the underworld. Wishing you a safe journey. What is your name, traveler? What happened? It's nothing. The pork leg rice you ordered just ran away. Hey haha. The shaken Peng Peng decided to have a drink to calm his nerves. Oh my god. Damn it, I didn't get an order from ELE.me again. Fortunately, after surviving a great disaster, there will be another tribulation. The fastest cheetah has set its sights on Peng Peng, this piece of grassland pork belly. Facing Peng Peng's explosive V12 engine, Bao Bao confidently stated, although your GTR has a lot of horsepower, the front is too heavy. You took care of my FC. Meanwhile, Peng Peng was not flustered at all, because he had entered a state of free flight. Golden Bridge. Running and clearing carbon deposits. Perfectly interpreting what it means to travel 10 miles and be born. I'll bow and go. Ah. What's going on? Nothing. You were just tricked by your own dinner. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Ugly to look at, but wild to play. He is the African Yamaha. Ugly pig, the greasiest pig in the world. What did you say? Because he was Marshal Tianpeng before reincarnation. Everyone affectionately calls him Peng Peng. His extremely flamboyant punk hairstyle. His domineering tusks. Plus his upturned 5G antenna when running. Make Peng Peng the most dazzling one on the grassland. Gear guide, oh. Don't hit me. It's time to hunt. Ajung, are you serious? I'm going to die. Compared to active hunting, Peng Peng prefers to go to a quarry. After maintaining the lychee, then go find Jumengsaijia. A comfortable, one-stop life is very pleasant. Of course, sometimes technicians will come to the door, determined to provide one-stop service for friends. Welcome, VIP. Technician no. 88 is happy to serve you. Hello. What the hell? No. It seems I don't need to run. The opponent is weak. Just one lioness. Plus 3 cubs. Finally, I'm going to show off. I heard you've been looking for me lately. You're finished. Do you have the strength to compete with Li Wakang? In my life, I've never seen anyone so arrogant. Today you see one, beat him. His strength is not good, but he is still arrogant. He soon angered the whole world. You are too awesome. Ah. Facing the pursuit of the lion pride, the dignified Peng Peng chose to reverse into the garage and launched a foreign object movement after entering the cave. As the saying goes, if the green hills remain, there will be descendants. The clever Peng Peng also played the game of 3 caves of the cunning rabbit. Hello. Unexpectedly. Happy or not. Brothers, kill him. Yes. After enduring hardships, escape from danger again. Tong Tong always believed that there's always a way out, a surprise attack. But Jule really hasn't. Look at the camera, baby, baby, look at the camera.